Hello. We're waiting for Tisha. She's helping a customer. I know we just did a tour last time. I'm going to go show them the Halloween quilt over there while you finish.
Yes, that's awesome.
Okay.
Technical director, and I'm going to be the director. 3, 2, 1.
Duana's getting in on the act. Okay, so we already put this quilt up. So the only way to see it would be to walk over here. And we're going to be looking at this fabric today, I think. So this quilt came together really fast because you have panels. You have 4 panels. Look at the cats. You can hear Jen. Yay, cats! This looks like piecing, but it's actually not. They do have a fabric that has 4 rows of what looks like piecing. So I'm going to head back over to where Tisha is. But we do have this one. It's called the Postcards Quilt. We have several kits left. Just a few. All right. Let me head back to the back. See if Tisha's back there yet. We still have a couple openings for our shoe class. That's on August 1st. You have to sign up by July 1st so that we can order the shoe kit in your size. All right. Let me switch over. Whoa. Let's switch over here. Whoa. There we go. Aha.
You talk so soft.
You guys won't get seasick while I'm trying to move the phone around. All right, you're ready to go. Do, do, do. I have to do my Noel impression.
That's right.
Remember Noel?
Generational trauma. She's a mess, that child. Oh, we are on. Okay. I thought she was just Hello, everybody. I'm Tisha Copeland, and today it's What's New Wednesday at Not Your Mama's Quilt Store in Plano, Texas. And I'm so happy you are joining us today because I have some fun stuff to show you for What's New today. What's New Wednesday? I know. Yes, it says we're live. I'm sure we're live, but it says we are on Facebook. Okay, maybe this fan is a little more than I needed. That's better. Okay, that's better. So, what do we have in store for you today? So many fun things. I got some gorgeous new fabric from Liberty I want to show you. I got some fun new fabric, Halloween fabric. This one is from Studio E. You're going to love it. We have demo day coming up this Saturday. I was going to say this past Saturday, but no, next Saturday, this Saturday. I'll be showing you demoing paper roses, foundation paper piecing paper roses. Love, love, love this. Look at these different ones right here. So if you are not doing anything this next Saturday, stop by because I want to show you what we are demoing. We also have some classes. I know we do because Debbie always tells me about the classes we have. So I'm going to, hold on, it's okay, I'll pop over. Oh, you're doing it right there. Debbie, I'm not sure this is working because we're getting no viewers at all.
Okay, you want to start over? Well, thank you.
I think so. Because not even one person is popping on. So let's end this one. And we'll delete this one.